Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change our font size in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our font options and settings. First of all, we need to go to our settings menu. Then we can scroll down a little bit until we can see our display functions. So in the display, here we have our font size and style menu. And in here, this is the function that we are interested in. Bigger font, bigger font, bigger font. As you can see from our example at the top, we can change our font size for no we can set up quite a bigger font if we really need to. Of course, we can also use bold font, or we can change the style of it if we want to. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye.